Samsung has released the One UI version 7.0 to Nigeria. I think Nigerians and some other African countries. That was on the 9th of May. And since I updated my two Samsung phones, there have been drastic changes in my phone, starting from the way my phone normally used to open. Okay, now the fingerprint is extremely faster, and the face unlock is, once you put your phone in front of your face, automatically is faster than how it used to be before. Now, when you open your phone, the way your phone opens is quite different from the way Samsung used to open. Once you put your fingerprint, it's as if the app zooms out once you open your phone, once you unlock your phone. Now, apart from that, there are so many other changes that have been made in the setting, which I might not be able to share everything, but let me just take you guys through some changes that I've realized. Now, let me take you guys through some changes that I have seen in my phone, both in my S24 Ultra and in my S21 Ultra. Now, if you come over here and swipe down, this section is for notification, and if you swipe down, this section is for settings. So whenever you swipe down this section is only for notification, your WhatsApp messages that came into your phone. And whenever you swipe down this section is for setting and every other thing in your phone. That is number one. Now, apart from that, if you go over to setting, let's go over to setting. If you type setting and open setting in your phone and go to connected devices, once you click on these connected devices, there's a lot of things that is happening here now. Quick share. Now you can share between your phone and another phone. You can share anything between your phone and another phone. Okay, files, video. I don't know how Samsung did this. Okay, you can see share with Galaxy devices and share with non-Galaxy devices. You can share with Samsung. You can also share with other devices once those devices has this share stuff. Now, apart from that, you can share music, let nearby friends play music on your Bluetooth speaker. So you can allow nearby friends to play music on your Bluetooth speaker or your AirPod. Another one I like is now camera share. You can now use your Samsung camera on another Samsung device. You can now use the camera on this phone, on this particular phone, or on a Samsung laptop. This is just crazy. You can see, use this phone camera as a webcam for a nearby Galaxy book or tablet. There are still so many other things, but another one I like so much, which is really crazy, is, let me show you guys this. Now, let me go to my Instagram and try and play a video. Now, if you go to your Instagram and play a video, you can actually record everything the person is saying in the video. Your phone automatically will be typing it, okay? Detecting it, as in be writing everything the person is saying. Now, let me show you guys. Now, let's try and play a video. So you guys can see, as this video is playing, this is detecting it. You guys can see here, it's detecting it. So, but you can put this off by going to live caption and put it off. And when you come back, and once you're playing this, you guys can see it's no longer detecting it. So there are so many other updates that I'm still yet to discover, but I will keep sharing once I come up with any updates. Now make sure you follow for more updates like this.